You've probably seen the ads promising a 7-second eye flow hack that can restore your vision. No glasses, no surgery, just a daily pill called Retina Clear. According to the sales pages, Retina Clear is a revolutionary supplement that improves eyesight by fixing your eyes' internal nutrient flow. They say it reduces blurry vision, eliminates floaters, and relieves eye strain, all naturally. Sounds amazing, right? But is it legit or just another overhyped pill with a flashy name? Quick disclaimer before we dive in. I'm not a doctor and this isn't medical advice. This review is based on publicly available information. Always talk to a licensed healthcare professional before starting any supplement. The first red flag is that there's no clinical evidence. None. No peer-reviewed studies, no trials published anywhere to support these bold claims. Conditions like floaters, blurred vision, and eye strain aren't magically cured with a capsule, and certainly not in 7 seconds. The so-called 7-second ritual is pure clickbait, a lead-in to sell you a bottle of pills. They even claim an Oxford-backed doctor discovered this magical hack, but there's no record of this being linked to Oxford University. This doctor is likely just a stock photo or fictional character made to boost credibility. It's purely a marketing gimmick. Next, the ingredient list is completely missing. Without clear labeling, you don't know what you're putting in your body. No transparency means no way to assess safety, allergens, or drug interactions. The FDA has repeatedly warned about supplements like this that make big claims without disclosing what's actually inside. Phrases like no surgery, no prescriptions, and no expensive lenses may sound appealing, but they're part of a pressure tactic. Vision health is complex, and supplements aren't miracle fixes. Here's the final verdict. Retina Clear is packed with vague promises and zero scientific backing. The mysterious 7-second eye flow hack is just a sales hook, and the product hides critical information like ingredients. Whether it works or not, you're buying into something without proof, which makes it risky. If you've come across Retina Clear, or even tried it yourself, let us know in the comments. Did it help at all? Or was it just another flashy internet product with empty claims? If you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns. And remember, stay sharp, stay skeptical, and stay informed. Happy product using.